Welcome to Festool TV. My name is Frank. I want to show you today how to work with the CENTROTEC system. The CENTROTEC chuck, which I'm holding here in my hand, is suitable for a variety of different tools. Let's have a look at its use while drilling and screwing. I will compare the procedure with a CENTROTEC chuck and a normal chuck. The normal chuck is simply put on through a FastFix system. Then I have a standard drill here, which I clamp and tighten. I drill and loosen the drill again. Then I switch, for example, to a bit holder and can now screw the screw into the workpiece. So how does the whole thing go with the CENTROTEC chuck? I attach the CENTROTEC chuck to the machine. Now the drill, in this case a special drill with a hexagon receptacle. You know that the big advantage of a hexagon receptacle is the fact that it prevents the spinning of the drill. Here with the hexagonal, there is no more spinning. Simply put it on the drill. I switch again to a bit holder and can screw. You see, for changing my tools, I need no more electricity and less time. Like this, I can work in a more economic and faster way. When you have a close look at the CENTROTEC chuck, you can see that it has only the half length of a standard chuck. It has a very short design. It is 80% lighter as well, and therefore ideal for longer working hours. Festool has a system which includes nearly all CENTROTEC accessories. For example, you have the option to use a bit extension. You can mount the CENTROTEC chuck to a handle as well to readjust, for instance, the filigree hardware and cabinet doors. There are also smaller bits in the so-called twin box. You can put it in your pocket as a complete box or divide it so you can hang it on your belt or pocket easily. This way I can take out the bit that I need any time and put it back. Of course, a drill set is included as well. The drill set consists of the most common sizes. As you can see, these drills are equipped with a special receptacle. This receptacle has a hexagon socket. By loosening the hexagon socket, I can remove the drill very quickly to sharpen or replace it, for example. The hexagon socket is an adaptation to the CENTROTEC system. When you have a closer look at the system, you can see even more tools. For example, a hook driver can be used to screw hook screws fast and easily. In addition, I can work with several bit extensions in order to reach low-set screws. You also have the option to work with a countersink. Then you have two more tools. one for drilling with depth stop or line drilling, and then also to drill with depth stop and countersink at the same time. With a headless pin, I can vary the height of the countersink. This means that I have the guarantee to always reach the same drilling and countersunk depth. You can see it here. Same countersunk depth. This tool is helpful also. It can be used to mount drawer fittings.
Clever sicherlich dieses Werkzeug. Dieses setze ich ein, Schubladenbeschläge nachträglich zu montieren.
I want to show you how quickly this works. First of all, I take a cordless screwdriver with the corresponding bit holder.
Den kleinen zum Beispiel mit der dementsprechenden Bitaufnahme.
In these drawer guides, you usually find Euro screws, which are 5 millimeters thick. In the front of these cabinet sides, there is usually a 32 millimeter line drawing. It is quite easy to find the drill for my fitting. I begin by setting the torque, and I've already placed the screw. But in the back, there is often not the right amount of room. Then I have the option to use the center drill. I only have to pierce my fitting with it. Because of the stop, we've automatically drilled 5 millimeters. Now I can switch again to the bit without energy loss and place the screw. You see, with the tools and accessories from Festool, challenging jobs are turned easy. There are also solutions for bigger holes, like here with this Forstner drill. In the bigger 15 millimeter to 35 millimeter range, the system can be used without problems. And last but not least, the ratchet for normal screws and nuts. This is especially useful in narrow assembly areas of kitchens or for fittings in bathrooms. Here is a small ratchet set which you can also combine with the CENTROTEC system. You see, there are so many ways for the CENTROTEC system from Festool to make your work easier and more efficient. I hope that you have enjoyed today's presentation and that you are as convinced of the new CENTROTEC system as I am. See you next time on Festool TV. Yours, Frank.